With the amount of compliment I got for this video, I said I must show this to my YouTube audience. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming back. If you need the tutorial for this hairstyling video, I'll put it up here so that you'll be able to click and go back and watch it after this video. I got so much positive feedback on this look, which is why I'm here to share the tutorial, the steps with my YouTube audience. Thank you guys for the support always. It gladdens my heart to know that you guys come back here all the time to support me. So first things first, we always go in to clean the face. Whatever you have to clean, you use your wipes. Either you use your wipes or you use your cotton pad and a micellar water. Make sure you clean the dirt on the face, especially when the client you don't know where they are coming from, you don't know what they've had on their face. There is dust everywhere, so you clean the face. Always remember to clean the face. You start on a clean canvas. After cleansing the face, you use your serum. I went in with the serum, and then here I'm going in with the moisturizer. I always make sure to show these steps whenever I'm having a makeup tutorial up here, because it can be overemphasized, because this is what keeps your makeup. This is what guarantees that your makeup stays as long as you want it. You would also notice that after applying my serum and my moisturizer, I use my hand to massage it into the skin. Please, before doing this, make sure your hands are clean. Make sure you wash your hands with running water. Be it a client, a model, or anybody. So long as you're touching someone's face, make sure your hands are clean. I notice she has a nose ring on. So if possible, if you have a client with a nose ring, make sure to tell them to allow you or let them take it off themselves. Because what this does is that when you're doing the makeup, whatever you're applying, foundation, moisturizer, anything, it keeps lodging in there. So make sure you get it off. They can put it on if they want after the makeup. But before the makeup, if they can, you can just politely ask them to remove it or ask for permission to remove it. So I went in with my mattifying primer. Make sure whenever you're applying this primer, like I said in my previous video, make sure the client or whoever you're applying the makeup on has an oily skin. Make sure they have an oily skin before you apply this. If they don't have an oily skin, make sure to use it only on the T-zones. This is one of the last things I do after my fixed skin prep. I always go in with my brow tamer. If you're a beginner and you don't have a brow tamer, just get an edge control or anything that would hold the brows together and use it to tame the brow. It helps you keep the brow together when you're drawing the brows. After taming the brow, I use a little bit of my mattifying primer to get rid of the oil, and then also use my setting powder to dab it a little to get rid of every possible oil. Also to keep it dry until I want to draw my brows. For my foundation, I'm going to combine in L'Oreal and Avour foundation just to get her shade. As you can see, I'm applying it and it's turning out well. It's matching her skin. One thing I'm proud of, one thing I am also known for, aside creating great looks, great hairstyles, is matching your skin with your foundation. I mean, just watch till the end and see how this look turns out. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that I go in with my foundation brush first before using my beauty blender. But in this video, I'm going to be using only beauty blender, only to show you that you can use either of both. You can either use both of them or any of them, depending on how skilled you are in it. You can use both of them if you're a beginner that find it difficult to blend very well, because one thing you should be known for is your skin work, and that gets you anywhere. Once your skin work is good, every other thing can fall in place. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I'm very grateful for the support you give me here. You know how we do it. Like the video and share it to your family and friends. If you are new on this channel, make sure to like, comment, and share this video to your friends. There must be someone out there that needs this video, and the person could be on your contact list. Make sure you're sharing this video and make sure you're commenting. Don't leave without liking. You can always check the description box to get the product breakdown of all the products I used in this video and where you can find me on all social media platforms. For the concealer, I'm going to be using Avour concealer, and if you've seen my previous video, you would know I always apply the concealer, allow it to sit, and then get my beauty blender and start blending from the outer part of the eyes. I start blending from the outer part of the eyes so that the foundation, there won't be harsh line on the blending, so that the blending would be seamless. It would be seamless with the contour, with the highlights, and also with my blush, so that there won't be any demarcation or separation. So while blending the under eye, you always be careful, because once you look down too much, the under eye tends to crease. So before setting the under eye, make sure there are no creases. You listen as I said, setting, not baking. There is a difference between setting and baking. Also make sure to blend out any creases that is under the eye before setting it. Make sure to blend any crease before setting it. So here is me trying not to make this video unnecessarily long, but stay tuned, because in my next video I'll be giving a very detailed tutorial on the brow, the eyeshadow, and the lip combos. For some reasons, every time I keep recording, the video starts misbehaving around this time, and then I lose track of what I'm recording, and that's how the videos get short. So I would be giving a detailed brow tutorial, a detailed lip tutorial, and a detailed eyeshadow tutorial, with different eyeshadow bases. I'll be using the regular eyeshadow base, and I'll be using concealer as an eyeshadow base in the next brow and eyeshadow tutorial I'll be having. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and also make sure to put on your notification button so that whenever I post videos like this, you would get a notification. You'll be one of the first people to receive the video and also watch them. So if you notice between the transition eyeshadow and the brow bone, you would notice there are harsh lines. Make sure you take a new brush, a clean brush, and go over it. I did that, but I couldn't do it on camera. Make sure you go over it and use a clean brush and swipe until there are no harsh lines. Make sure you swipe until the transition is seamless, until the transition is clear. What I mean by swipe is blend it until those lines are no longer there. Blend it until the two sides are equal, matching each other. They are marrying each other. Thank you. And here is the final look. Make sure you're subscribed and make sure you engage on the comments so that next time you would see the next videos that will be dropping. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.